Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the failed to connect to update server error in where winds meet. This is a quick and easy fix, so let's jump right in. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. Now, click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and open Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, go back to Search, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer, and the update server error should now be fixed. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.